right, man. So we just got here. We about to get our SRT, whatever you want to call it, grill thing. We about to get this installed. You see, we got this like months ago. Like we was gonna put this on the Trackhawk, but got stolen. But we're just gonna take that off, put that right there, and we got the coloring, whatever, the color circle, whatever you want to call it. So it could be like rainbow, whatever. So we out here in Valparaiso, about to get this installed, and I'll catch y'all back tomorrow because it'll take all day since they got other customers. And then we just got this LED for the sun, well, for the roof, but they don't do it, so we're still trying to figure out somebody that can do it. You know somebody in the Midwest area, hit me up. But we're about to get this done, and I'll catch y'all back tomorrow. See ya. All right, man, so it's a day later. We got the pipes done. It's a cold start. Yeah. We got the pipes done. We got this on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Y'all hear that? Come on, mama. That shit wild. I'll catch y'all back in a second, though, man. Yeah, we back, man. Know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. We back, man. Y'all know. Yeah, big cap. Y'all can hear that, motherfucker. Got the straight pipe down. Let me give y'all a little something. Dog. Shit! We're in the trenches. There's potholes, all type of bullshit out here. No, we in sport. We ain't in track, man. Yeah. I don't know what to talk about. But we in the hell kizzy. Damn! I'll be right back, yo. Alright, man, we back. See them people in there waving? Oh, shit. POV. That wine crazy. I got a little custom mode on here too. I'm so good at it now. Stop playing, boy. I'm really like that now. I never had a car that made me so happy. Can't wait for you to get that. Yeah.
Huh? It's gonna be a crazy day.
Oh, folks. Yeah, shit. Me, Sean Passay gonna be on that.
Is that a last call? No, it's dark.
He crazy. He says that a last call.
You know, last call, they got them stripes going down the side.
You crazy, bro. Damn. I'm gonna have to cut this off. Hey man, do y'all like this? Y'all like the Rango or the Trackhawk better? I know we ain't do too many POVs in the track, but you know, if you're a day one, you gonna know. I kind of like the Rango better, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Which one you like better?
Both got their pros and cons.
Type.
Oh, shit. I don't know. Overall, I feel like I fuck them and Rango.
Yeah,
I don't know. It's just that wine different. I don't
definitely.
know what it is. That was crazy.
That's crazy, bro. I'm kind of leaning towards the Rango too, honestly. I'm trying to have the window down so y'all can even hear even more. Cause this is crazy, bro. I need to start using my GoPro. I keep saying that, but I never do. Cause this is just so much more convenient. I just got a iPhone 12 to do this with. I know y'all hear that, bro. That is crazy. What is that? Oh, those motorcycles. Man, I'm about to show you how to use the pedals. Just like on some downshifting, like that shit, bro. And then you downshift it, and then you let the RPMs go up around like in between 5 and 6. You just hit that right before it hit the red line.
You being neutral or not?
Yeah, because when you downshift it, it'll be in neutral, and it like depending on which gear it is, it'll be go up like that, and then it just go down. And then you hit on it, and then it'll go up, and then you just shift it. You press the plus, and then shift, and then go to the next gear, and then it go back down. Like right now.
Fuck on.
See, like I'm still in second gear right now. See, I just shifted. Now I'm in third gear. And I'm gonna just go back manual. So I don't know what to do after that. I mean, I could keep still going, but I'm not racing like you know. That, man. Damn, they cut it off. First gear, go back to automatic now. And, I mean, it's simple, kind of. Once you learn it, type shit. But if you just, yeah, it's kind of more hands-on. even know how much we was going, bro, honestly. Bro, that's nasty, bro. Oh God, that's crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy, bro. No cap, that's crazy. That's wild. Honestly, bro. That is insane. Like, bro, that's crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to catch somebody, bro. It's Thursday though, so people probably ain't even out for real. And like what I'm doing right now is like I'll tap on the gas a little bit like this, and then the RPM's high, and all I do is play with it. Just left his ass. Lefty. But people usually just downshift like when they about to come to a stop sign or a stoplight. I just be doing it just to be doing it. But you can always go back into automatic, so it's whatever. I don't even know what that is. Like it's probably like an Impala or something. Might be some Nissan or something. But you can hear the rotors on that mod. Ooh, that definitely hit me right there. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, he met his maker. He met his maker. Nuke 35. You met your maker, my boy. I'm following him. Wherever you go, I'm going. Perfect. Even better. I don't even know what that is. I think that might be that RT we seen earlier. He probably peeped the little emblem logo. Yeah. What's good, bro?
Good.
What's up, man? That's
Hear that line, bro?
yeah. I got you. Here it come. Just keep up, nigga. Sound good for sure though. I think I remember seeing him somewhere. Was that? Yeah, I remember seeing him though. I swear I remember seeing him. Cause we was right here.
Yeah, somewhere up this here. Pulled up next to him one time.
I'm trying to line up next to him.
You had to grab Barnaby's or some shit.
I can't even really remember, honestly. I just remember seeing him.
So I was busting left.
Man. We gotta get around this. Sound like he in like neutral or something.
Probably got some pipe work there.
Probably.
Well, I know you. They fucking up. 40.
Back.
Dog his ass. What? It is bad.
Dog that ass. I just went off whenever he went, honestly. Yeah, that's an RT. You gotta get RT. Yeah.
Happy.
What's this? What's
Challenger with a K _RT.
back? Where you going, straight?
I don't know.
I'm just go. Yeah, you too. Come on, man. Oh, this in track. That's why. Damn, this was hitting a little harder than usual. Cause my what's it called off? Traction is off. So okay. I was wondering why I was hitting so hard, but damn.
You put in custom mode, I peeped it. It said traction off.
Yeah, I ain't peep. We took the RT. You know, shout out to bro though. Bro, cool. Challenger with a K _RT. Shout out to bro. When you see Big Cat coming through, you get out the way. Boy! Oh shit. Like, you see, I was on his bumper. When somebody on my bumper, I'm getting out the way.
That's just wild.
Going fourth gear, third. Second. Bro, why come, man? But I'll catch y'all later, man. We finna go to the crib. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.